In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Constant Contact Email on Kvcore. To begin, make sure you are logged in and looking at your main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, find Channels. Click Channels, then choose Emails. This takes you into the Email tool, where you can create and manage your email campaigns. Once you are in the Emails area, you will start a new campaign. Look for the button that says +Create or +Create an Email. Click that button to begin. After that, you will be taken to the template library. Templates are pre-built layouts that save time and help your emails look clean and professional. Browse the library and choose a template that matches the type of email you want to send, such as a newsletter-style layout or a simple announcement. When you find one you like, hover your cursor over the template. You will see a Select option appear. Click Select to open the editor. Now you are in the design and customization stage. The editor uses a drag-and-drop interface, which means you can build your email by placing content blocks exactly where you want them. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see elements you can add, like images, text, buttons, or videos. Drag the block you need into your email layout, then click into it to edit the content. Take your time here because clear formatting and readable spacing help your message stand out. To keep everything consistent with your brand, open the Design tab. This is where you can adjust global colors, choose fonts, and set background graphics. A helpful tip is to keep your colors and fonts consistent across the entire email, so the message looks polished and easy to scan. When your email looks the way you want, click Continue. This moves you into the sending setup. First, choose the list or segment you want to send the email to. Make sure you select the right audience, because this controls who receives your message. Next, add your subject line. Keep it clear and specific so recipients understand what the email is about at a glance. Finally, when everything is set, click Send. That covers everything you need to know.